back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review expression box for April month. So this is the box which I have received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before unboxing, let me first tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 399 rupees. Plus 60 rupees is the shipping charges. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box so you guys can check it. Now let's just quickly see. Expression box is a jewelry subscription box and these are the jewelry. Let's start with the first one. And I can see some really beautiful jhumki kind of earring. You can just see. So can you see? This is a really different design and I'm quite liking it. Gold is the color with some pearl here. Let me just wear one for you and show you the look. And in the end, of course, I will be attaching a lookbook. So stay connected for that. And let me show you the look right now. So this is the look. Pretty, very different actually. I like this design, very different earring. So yes, pretty happy, and these are very Indian earrings. So whenever you are wearing a suit or maybe a sari, you can actually wear these. So pretty one. These are the first one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful ring. So this is the one and I really like it. The color is very fresh. Gold and light bluish is the color, or you can say teal is the color. So pretty, very nice. Loving it. Now moving on to the next pair of earrings. These are the earrings. Let me just remove the ring. Okay, so these are the earrings. Just have a look. Let me just wear one and show you the look. So this is how they look. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful bracelet. And this is like gold with some teal color here. And this is the look. Let me just show you like this. So this is the look. You can just see it's looking really pretty. Very beautiful bracelet. I like it. Now I'm left with the last one, which is a pair of earrings, and these are the one. Let me just wear one and show you the look. Very pretty earrings. For daily wear, I think they will look really nice. And for parties as well, I think you can wear it. They are pretty small, but it has lots of shine, so you can just have a look. And this is the look. And this one is the last pair in the box. That's all what I have received in my expression box for April month. Of course, I will be attaching a lookbook in the end of the video, so stay connected for that. And that's all about expression box. And before ending the video, let me just remind you about my giveaway, guys. There is a giveaway going on my channel. I will be mentioning the giveaway link in the description box with the buying link of expression box. So of course, participate and show me some love. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.